World-class frogs there, Lena. Wow.
Yes.
I don't know how I'd feel about that. Maybe you and I will go check it out next year. Good.
What would you do? Go, move.
I don't think I would do that. I would just say, go, little buddy. Yeah, if it wants to go, it goes. But I'm sure there's some skill to it, and they settle in on that for sure. A good day for them. I'm sure the frogs and everyone else wanted to jump into the nearest pond or whatever it happens to be, because we're back to summer-like readings across Northeast Ohio. It's been a fairly cool July, all things considered so far. So temperatures in the mid and upper 80s. Yeah, it feels a little warm, especially with the humidity. Akron right now, hot spot 89 degrees officially at our sensor. Notice the 80s elsewhere. Humidity's come down a little bit. We had the high humidity yesterday. We had that front producing those showers and thunderstorms last night. This time of year, the less humid air, it takes a little while to get in here. It's not right behind the front. So you can see this afternoon dew points down to the 60s. So still kind of murky outside, but a little bit better. You combine those two numbers, feeling like the mid and upper 80s, even near 90 degrees. The serious heat still off towards the west. It has been a summer to remember across areas of the upper Midwest, and especially as you get back towards the Rockies. The heat will stay there, but we're on the southern periphery of that. So we're going to get near 90 the next 2 days as that jet stream's retreated off towards the north, but it will come back. You can see the storms down towards our south. They will stay there. We're going to have a dry start to our week, and then eventually we're going to return with a couple systems coming at us from the northwest. So in the near term, your National Design Mart hour by hour forecast, just a couple high clouds floating through tonight. Temperatures fairly comfortable, should be in the mid and upper 60s tomorrow morning. A beautiful Monday in store, very similar to today. Should make it up into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees, but lots of sunshine to speak of. And we are going to have pretty high humidity as we go throughout the day. I do see some drier air mixing in mid to late day, so that may bring down our dew points in the afternoon, making it a little bit more comfortable. Yeah, but you got the heat to deal with, the peak heating for sure. All right, look at Tokyo right now. Here's the island of Japan. They've got a system to watch. This is going to impact some of the games over the next couple days. This is our equivalent to a tropical storm. Over the next day or two, it's going to head to the northern part of the island away from Tokyo, but tropical systems, they spray moisture pretty far away from that center, and that's exactly going to be the case, especially tomorrow our time, so that'll likely be on into Wednesday. You can see some of the heavier rain coming into the island. That looks to sit around for a couple days, so kind of interesting weather pattern over there. For us, though, we're going to ramp up the humidity slowly as we get into the week. We're dry through Wednesday as it looks for the most part, but look at the humidity and how it drops. A very kind of fall-like weekend in store as it looks right now. Your Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast, you can see the hot to start the week. Monday, Tuesday up near 90 degrees. The heat, not the hot. And then Wednesday we have isolated storms. Best chance of rain this week's Thursday. I think we get some pretty good rounds of storms in here, and much more comfortable, Lena, Friday and Saturday. Beautiful next weekend. If you have plans or not yet, make them.
Okay, sounds great. Thanks, Matt. Coming up, Odell Beckham Jr. holding his youth football camp today. And he gives us an update on an ACL as he tries to get back on the field. That's next in sports with Nick.